In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Hotjar on a website. By the end, you'll have Hotjar set up so you can start gathering insights like heat maps, session recordings, and on-page surveys. Hotjar works by placing a small tracking code on your site, and the setup is quick once you know where to put it. First, head over to hotjar.com and create an account. There's a free plan, which is great for getting started. After you're signed in, go to your Hotjar dashboard and open the section called Sites and Organizations. Find the website you want to track, then click the option labeled Install Tracking Code. Hotjar will generate a unique JavaScript snippet for your site. This snippet includes your site ID, which is what connects your domain to your Hotjar account. Copy the entire snippet to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Next, install the tracking code on your site. If you're doing this manually, open your website's HTML template or theme files. You can do this yourself if you're comfortable editing code, or you can ask your developer to help. Paste the Hotjar snippet inside the head section of every page you want to track, ideally right before the closing head tag. Placing it in the head ensures Hotjar loads early, which helps capture accurate behavior data across your pages. If your site uses a shared template, theme, or layout file that controls the header for all pages, add the snippet there. That way, it automatically appears on every page without you needing to paste it multiple times. If your platform provides a global header or site-wide code injection field, that's usually the best place to put it. Make sure you don't add the snippet more than once on the same page. After pasting the code, save your changes and publish your site. If your website uses caching, consider clearing the cache so the new code goes live immediately. From here, Hotjar will begin loading on any page that includes the snippet. Depending on your traffic, you may need a bit of time before you start seeing heat maps and recordings populate in your Hotjar dashboard. That's it. You've signed up, copied your tracking code, and installed it in your site's head section so Hotjar can run on every page where the snippet is present. Once it's live, you're ready to explore user behavior and turn those insights into improvements.